Unboxing the FOKUSE FKS-1001 Embroidery Machine. First, use flathead screwdriver to remove the clips on the top. Keep the clips on the lower half to prevent the wooden board from falling off. When removing them, it's best to press one end with your hand. Insert a screwdriver into this slot and pry it open easily. Remove the top board and set it aside. We can see the accessories and machines inside. Remove the clips from the board near the machine standing side. Then take down the board and set it aside. Take out the accessories, toolbox, cap station, screws, casters, standing brace, frame holder, standing base, flat table, garment hoops, bobbin winder, cap ring, big garment hoop, frame holder base. Remove all remaining clips and move the wooden board to the side. It is safer to have another person hold the board while you are removing it. Remove the plastic film from the machine. There are 2 bolts at the bottom that secure the machine to the wooden board. So use a 14mm spanner to loose the bolts.